Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening sa inyo. Here you are. Dumating na yung another parcel that I ordered from before. And this is it. So we're gonna open it and let's see what's inside. I'm not sure whether this is the one that I've ordered or this is it. I just did it now. So here you go. Let's open it. Every hour, every day, every second, every minute. There you go. Let's see. If this is the one that I've been waiting for, that's fine. One. I think this is it. 2, 3, and 4. Well, I hope this is the right thing, because when I ordered this, I told the store that when they sent me an email saying that this is what you ordered, and I noticed it's not the correct printout that I want. So I messaged them there and then. It took this a month, more than a month, to be delivered to me. Anyway, I'm excited. Let's see. Let's get the first one. Oh yes! Yes, yes, yo! This is it! This is it! Looks nice. The texture of the shirt is nice. It's like a bit, it's a stretchable sort of. The pinky one is nice color. See, this is not the one that I said. It's incorrect. This is not the one. But this is nice. See? Woohoo! 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 This is not the one. But I like it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yee! Very nice. Very, very nice. I love it. This is not supposed to be sisters forever. It's almost the same as everyone. All of it is almost the same. It's just the color that varies. So let's see. Yeah, this is it again. So again, it should not be that. So I'm gonna call them again, saying, but I'm happy with the outcome of the print. Very nice. But this one is not the one. So I'll be returning this. But it looks nice. Lovely, lovely, jubbly. So I'm pretty happy about it, the printing. But it's, and the shirt, I'm pretty happy, but not the print out. So I'm gonna email them and tell them that, look, it's incorrect. I have messaged you about it before you send it to me, but I think it comes all the way from China. That's why it takes me like a month to receive the item. And I actually track it on their website. It says from China. What else is not coming from China? Anyway, all of it is from China. So the quality is nice. So it's just the one. It's just the printer out. So let's see. This one is, sorry friends, I've opened it because I need to check it. So before you can see it, I have already seen it. Lovely. No, I'm not happy with the sisters forever because that's not the one that I. Yeah, lovely, isn't it? Isn't it lovely? Isn't it wonderful? Now, we're gonna see the color blue, the other color. Sorry, I said it already. It's not anymore a suspense. It's not anymore suspense, but let's see. This is the one that is the correct one, actually the correct one. So, I love it, I love it, I love it, and love it. It's pink as well. What's happening with these people? What's happening with these people? I ordered the blue one. It comes or pink. Yes, this is the one. This is the one. See? It's really nice. See. This is the one. Lovely, isn't it? That's the one. I'm happy. Yes, it's Donna, me, Turkey, Teresa, Doris, and Ruby. I've got my gray hair there. Well, there. Lovely. I so love it. So it's just the other one. I just need to return it. So I specifically have written to them about the other one is a blue colored one, and these are the pink. Yeah, so these are, and the sizing are pretty much the same. It doesn't see, I don't know really. I have to fit it. There, same. There is no greater gift than friendship. Donna, look at that picture. Isn't it nice? So cute. Well done, whoever printed this one, but it's just incorrect. And I want 3 sets of blue and 3 sets of pink. So this is the correct one. The other 3, the first 3, I'll be returning. So, isn't it nice? I am happy. The gang will be pleased about this. The gang will be pleased about this. And I'm so happy. Happy. Same, likewise. Very nice. So, viewers and subscribers, if you think you like my shirt, let me know. I can order for you. The quality of the shirt is really nice. It's, it's thick. You can see it's not even see-through, and it's a little bit stretchy. So really, it's nice. But I don't know how it would. And the sleeves, I like the sleeves because it's like a girly sleeves really, and it's a straight one. So I just have to find out the sizing, because one is of the same size, and there's another one that is a little bit bigger. So that's it really. And all done, my friend. The gang will be pleased with this. They will be happy. Okay, so anyone who wants this shirt, let me know, and I can order for you too. You can personalize it. I can personalize it for you. I'm not gonna have a cut on this. Whatever is the price is what you're going to pay. I will have it delivered to your place directly. Only here in the UK though. I don't know in the Philippines. I can't say for that. But here in the UK, you can order. I can order it for you. I'm quite pleased with the printing though. You just have to be careful on washing it. But I like the vibrancy of the paint and the print. Isn't it so nice? Okay, so that's it for now. That's it for now, folks. For my 1 million subscriber, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below, or if you want to order, if you're interested in that, let me know, and then surely I can order for you. And it's very nice. I'm so pleased. Okay, bye for now. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. What's that? Thumbs up. Is it like that? Thumbs up. There you go. Bye bye.